Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this Apple ID has been not yet used in the iTunes store. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open App Store and try to download any app. As you can see, this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So type on review. Select your country. Turn on agree to term and condition and type on next. You can add payment method from here, so I have select no. Type here formalities and type next. Type on continue. So your Apple ID has been completed. Now you can download any app. We try now.